flap closure adorned with this two facing hearts na nagpo-form ng lips. So parang kapag inopen mo, ay magbo-blow siya ng kiss eh. Charot lang. It's me again, Gla, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's episode, it's going to be unboxing video, and I'm super duper excited to do this unboxing video. Sobrang tagal na rin kasi guys na hindi ako nakapag-unboxing video, and today gawin natin siya. Yesterday kasi may dumating na parcel sa akin and tinis ko talagang hindi i-open. Well, I did open it. Yung tinanggal ko lang yung plastic ng JRS, ng bubble wrap and all that, but hindi ko in-open yung box, guys. So, see, ang ganda pa ng pagkakaribon niya. As in, inantay ko talaga yung, well, kahapon siya dumating. And tiniis ko nga hindi i-open kasi gusto ko siyang gawin today, yung video na to unbox this. So, samahan niyo ko, guys, na i-unbox tong item na to. So, this item, I ordered this last December, January of, second week of January, yon. Na-order ko to. And via air cargo siya, and kahapon lang siya dumating. Normally kasi kapag air cargo, it takes 7 to 10 business days once na-ship siya sa US. And then, pag air cargo naman, normally it's 6 to 8 weeks. That's the normal turnaround time basta walang aberya or hindi na delay sa pag-release sa custom. So, yun yung parang timeline. And kung mapapansin nyo rin guys, mas mahal kapag air cargo. Of course, you're not gonna wait for 2 months na. And normally, dun sa price ng sea cargo, it depends dun sa item kung malaki siya, maliit lang. So, 600 siguro range like additional 600 to 1,000 ang i-add mo dun sa price ng sea cargo para maging air cargo siya. So yung iba sa atin, mas gusto nila na sea cargo kasi mas mura nga naman ng 600 to 1,000 pesos yung item na bibili nila. But the downside is, yun nga, they have to wait ng like 2 months, almost 2 months for them to receive the item. So, kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, then that's fine. But if you want to receive the item agad-agad, like super excited kayong makita yung item and para sure na nasa inyo na yung item, then you go with the air cargo. Yun nga lang, I just want to set expectation na mas mahal talaga kapag air cargo. And normally sa mga online seller, nilalagay nila kung via air cargo o via sea cargo. So, that's it. Ang dami ko nang sinabi and let's just unbox this item. So, this is from Kate Spade. Yan. Ang ganda lang ng box and ang ganda lang din ng ribbon, guys. You would see the Spade logo there. Yan. This one is moss green, yung color ng ribbon. And then, the box, it's in pink. Yung normal, I think this is yung meron silang paper bag na ganito from retail. Yung pink and the green one. So, there. Ang ganda lang, guys. Sobra. Perfect for gift. And then, let's open the box. Okay. Ang ganda ng pagkakaribon, tapos hindi ko na alam kung paano siya ibalik. Paano nga ba? I'll just cross the bridge when I get there, kapag binalik ko na ulit. So, there. And then, ayan. So, yan. Meron siyang tissue paper. Like the normal. So, nakikita niyo na ba, guys, kung ano to? Okay. Lagay ko lang yung box here. And this one, of course guys, alam ko naman na kung ano yung item na to. But, di ko pa rin siya, ngayon ko pa lang din talaga makikita in person. So, okay. So, this one is the Lula chain crossbody. So, wallet on chain siya guys. Ang ganda. Pero, akala ko medyo mas malaki siya ng onte as sa crossbody. Pero para talaga siyang wallet, guys. Yan, wallet lang talaga siya. And then you have, I think you have an option to remove this. Pero tingnan natin. So it comes with this beautiful chain. Hindi naman siya mukhang, mukha siyang guys, mukha siyang social yung kanyang chain. Ayan. Ang ganda. And then meron dito siyang, ayan. Para siyang ito yung stopper sa end. Ayan, both sides is in silver hardware. And, okay, ganito siya. It has this flap closure nga siya. So, flap closure adorned with this two facing hearts na nagpo-form ng lips. So, parang kapag inopen mo, magbo-blow siya ng kiss sa'yo. Charot lang. So, yan. It has this back slip. Then, so I'm not gonna remove this. Yan. And then, yung inner lining niya, guys, it's in jacquard spade lining. Yan. And then, inside, so ito, smooth leather. So, smooth leather pala siya, guys. Sorry, I forgot to mention. Smooth leather, and meron siyang Kate Spade New York here. And then, inside, so tanggalin lang natin itong mga ito. This is the tag. Lula Crossbody Wallet, so black. And then, suggested retail price, in Canadian dollar, it's $259, but in US dollar, it's $198. But I got this for like, almost 5,000, or I think 4,800. And then, okay, natanggal ko na siya. Ang dami niyang compartments. Ang dami niyang compartments. So this one is the care cards. Dalawa siyang care cards. Yan. It has this slip pocket here at the back. And then dito, actually 3 sections. I think 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 sections. So ito yung back slip here, and then meron dito na card slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots. And then this one is the center zipper pocket, yan, for coins. And here another compartment, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. So I believe it's a total of 10 card slots. And dito sa back, itong back slip niya, I believe this would be your bill compartment. And here, and ito guys, ang ganda. Meron siyang the floating logo, yung Spade logo, yan. Ang ganda lang. And then there is a Kate Spade New York here, dito sa may inner lining. Ang cute. So you could use this as a crossbody or a wallet. So yan, nakatanggal to. And if you want na crossbody, ilagay mo lang to dito, and yun, crossbody na siya. Pero if you want na wallet lang, then you could remove it. There. Yan, guys. Alright, so that's it. Yun lamang, guys, ang ating unboxing for today. And before I end this video, I would like to say thank you for those people who recently subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed and you're new here and you find my content interesting for you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!